Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Motorola G75, and in this video I am going to show you how to improve audio recording quality using Dolby On app on this device. Alright, so to do this we have to install Dolby On from Play Store. So we have to install Dolby On by searching here and clicking install. Now we can open the app. Right here we can skip, we can click not now, no thanks, and by clicking this button right here we are going to audio record with way better quality than default audio recorder. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!